Hey everyone! Today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max with a back camera that's not working. So let's replace it. First, power off the phone and remove the bottom screws. Then open the display carefully and disconnect all the display connectors. Now remove the metal plate covering the camera. Unplug the camera connector and take out the old camera. Insert the new one and reconnect the cable. Put the metal plate back and screw it tight. Now reconnect the display. Close the phone and power it on. Check the camera. It's working perfectly. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to Noor Telecom.